Mining Dotchain is a newly launching blockchain network which relies on a system of PoA consensus that can support short block time and lower fees. PoA consensus algorithm does not require miners to be involved at all. In a blockchain network based on PoA, all transactions and blocks are processed by approved validators that replace miners, but in Dotchain app we use mining simulation. PoA. Consensus Protocol Proof of Authority. PoA is a type of blockchain consensus mechanism especially suited for private or permissioned blockchains. A consensus mechanism is a system that ensures transactions executed on the network are valid and that all participating users agree on the status of the ledger. In the PoA method, identity and reputation are valued instead of cryptographic assets, as in the case of proof of stake, or computational power in proof of work. Blockchains can be categorized into two groups, permissionless and permissioned. Both types use the same basic technology, but they differ in terms of access and participation. Permissionless blockchains are open access and anyone with the right equipment can participate. Permissioned blockchains, on the other hand, are private. All nodes must be pre-authenticated and network use is granted only by permission. Where public, permissionless blockchains use consensus mechanisms such as proof of work and proof of stake. Permissioned blockchains require alternative consensus algorithms. How does PoA work? A permissioned blockchain running PoA doesn't require mining of transactions. The purpose of mining is to provide an incentive for nodes to validate transactions and participate in maintaining an honest record of a decentralized public and permissionless blockchain. But on a private blockchain where all the participating nodes are already identified and pre-authorized, there is no need to be incentivized. Therefore, there is no need for mining. There is no need for nodes to solve complex mathematical problems in order to add a block to the chain. Instead, blocks are added to a permissioned chain when a majority of the pre-authorized nodes sign off on them. To become authorized, nodes must prove their authority to do so by meeting certain conditions, thus proving their long-term commitment to maintaining the blockchain. This can be anything from being located in a particular country, being associated with the organization, having good moral standing and reputation, and having formal on-chain identification. Please note that both the Dotchain software and this documentation site will improve over time and is still a work in progress. Be sure to engage with our community channels to stay updated. Dotchain is an innovative solution to bring programmability and interoperability to blockchain. Dotchain relies on a system of PoA consensus